Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. Let's walk around Stockholm. Another day, another walk. You know it. And we are in Rålis today at the beautiful island of Kungsholmen. And we're looking at some ducks, yes, at the waterfront here in the park. And it's time for another stroll. Yes, let's go. Yeah, let's center my camera. Well, we got some students here doing some kind of project. I'm not sure what they're up to, but some kind of art project, I think, for school. It looks pretty cool. It is Thursday today. It's like 9 a.m. And it's a bit cloudy. There's some clouds, but it's still nice weather. I would say it's plus 17 degrees approximately. We're looking at the bridge to Södermalm over there. Västerbron, I think it's called. Nice, look at the water. It's really clear actually. I don't know if you can see, but oh, now the sun is coming through. Oh, and a swan. Nice. Alright, let's cross the park here. Let's walk a bit towards Fridhemsplan. And keep the sun in our back. Oh, there's these students everywhere doing their project. Some kind of artwork here, some statue. Oh, well, there's a helicopter flying over. Over there we've got Bull Bar. This park, which is called Rålis. Everyone in Stockholm calls it Rålis because, you know, Rål, Lams, Hoofspiken is a bit long. It's one of the most used parks here in the whole of Stockholm. It's not so far from Vasaparken actually, so these parks are quite close to each other. But in the summer this is full of activity, and yesterday felt a bit like the first day of summer. It was lovely. And today just keeps continuing in the same spirit, so I think in the afternoon there will be a lot of people here. But yeah, it's still way too early for that. Let's go for a walk. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, actually I do know a little bit where I'm going. I'm gonna go that way, more like towards the metro. And then maybe, yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We got a big playground over there. There you have this kind of arena kind of thing, like an outdoor arena, where you have a lot of seats. So if you have kind of some kind of performance or whatever, you can do it over there. On Sweden's National Day, they usually have a big festival here as well, which is coming up pretty soon, by the way. I have to think what I'm gonna do. Maybe for a walk or whatever. But yeah, maybe I'll go here, actually, now think about it. There's a lot of people doing classes here, outdoor. You know, because there's a lot of, you know, let's say if you do karate or yoga or whatever you want to do. This is the perfect part to do your outdoor classes here. Because it gets a bit boring to stay inside in the gym, right? When the weather is like this. And they got volleyball courts and the outdoor gym here as well. Let's have a look. Under these beautiful mature trees. Check this out. Lovely. Creating a spot of shade here for the gym. Rålams hoofspikes ut till gym. Yttergymmet ägs och sköts av Stockholms stad. Det är obemannat och till för alla. It means this outdoor gym is owned and maintained by Stockholm City. It is like unstaffed and it is here to be enjoyed by everyone. Yes. Nice. Some rings you can do like... Sorry, it stopped recording for a little while. I hope you didn't miss too many seconds. Anyway, there was the outdoor gym. Let's walk that way on this little funny spiral kind of bridge thingy. Oh, it's getting really sunny now, nice. Oh, I like this tree in the middle. This path is like going around it. So the plans for the summer are coming alive, people. A lot of cool adventures planned. And instead of just bragging about it and telling you guys and I maybe not can keep my promises, I'm gonna take it a bit easy this year on telling what's gonna happen, because we all know how that went in the previous 2 years. So I do go to places, but sometimes when I'm there, for some reason it doesn't just happen, the filming. So yeah, that's why I should relax a little bit with promising things. It's quite funny, it says here tunnelbana to the left, but the closest tunnelbana is straight ahead. So that's a bit weird. Look at this here. It looks nice. The plants climbing up the building, right? Really cool. What is this street called? So this is Mälaren, and this one goes all the way to Stadshuset and Central Station on that side. But let's go straight ahead instead on Fridhemsgatan. It's a beautiful street, courtyard. Yeah, let's take a right here and see what we can find. Random rides are always fun. Pontonjärgatan. Okay. No idea. Don't think I've walked in the street before. Walking against the sun, that's not a good idea. Yeah, let's take a left again here. What is this? Galviksgatan. Oh, I love this street. It's beautiful. Look at this, people. Oh, I'm not sure if it's a good idea to walk in the middle of the street, but that's when the street looks at it best, I would say. Film from the middle. I know what I'm gonna do. There's another park here to the right. Let's go over there. Beautiful. Or maybe this is not for everyone, but I really love these streets. Oh, car incoming. Let's go to the side. So, Chatking, how is it going, people? What's up? Hope you're having a fantastic day. I am. I'm in a good mood. I'm excited for everything that's coming up in the summer. My allergies are almost gone. So yeah. All good. Total rehab, that's called. Like, don't confuse the two different rehabs. Like in Sweden, when we use the word rehab, this is usually not from recovering from a drug or alcohol addiction, that kind of rehab. It's a rehab as in rehabilitering, which is kind of the same thing, you know, like getting back to society kind of thing, but it's usually more a physical kind of rehab. So it's like, you know, when you have physical problems, like, I don't know, let's say you are paralyzed or something and want to get back, you know, to in shape, or you know what I mean. Anyway, so yeah, there's two different types of rehab. Okay, shall I go left or right, or where am I going? Okay, big car, so let's go here. Ting från förr och nu. Things from before and now. That's quite funny. Name for a store. Hotel Fridhemsplan. Oh, there's a hotel here. Nice. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go to the left here. So we walk up to the Fridhemsplan subway station over there. There's another Hirschenkeller restaurant. It's like a chain of restaurants, bars. Beers, 32 crowns, which is quite cheap for Sweden standards. Next to it you have Retro Bar and Restaurant. It's a place where you can watch sports and have a hamburger, have a beer. Alright, you can see straight away a bit more people here because we're closer to the metro. So there's a few different entrances, but the main entrance is over there, across the street. But let's go here. Yeah, let's go up the hill there to the park. Oh, it's green here, perfect. No anymore. Well, I might as well go this one. I wanted to cross the street, but then a police car came. I was like, nah, maybe not. All right, let's go up here. What is this called? This is called Drottningholmsvägen. Drottningholm is also the palace, Drottningholm slot. So Drottning means queen, so not that surprising. My legs feel a bit heavy today with all the walking. I've done a lot of walking in my private life as well, so outside of YouTube. And sometimes, you know, my calves and my thighs, they feel a bit heavy. Yeah, I definitely walk at least 10 kilometers a day, but sometimes much more. I think there's days where I'm up going between 15 and 20 kilometers a day, which is like half a marathon. 20 kilometers a day. Woo. So, straight into the next park. That's nice. Everything's so lush, so green now. Beautiful. Let's have a look here on the sign. So now we're at Kronobergspiken. Nice. So they built this park because the population of Kungsholmen grew really rapidly after 1850. There was a shortage of housing and the big factories and all that. They needed some space here. Also to create a lookout point here because it's a bit higher up. Beautiful here, really. You see the sun coming a bit through the trees here. Like 1 minute ago I was like my legs are a bit heavy, and now I'm walking up the hill, the highest hill here in the area. It's a tough one. Oh, they're recording some kind of film show or program. I don't know, some TV thing. Very clear that their acting is quite funny. Alright, we made it to the top, people. Started at the bottom and now we're at the top. Woo! This is a nice place to round up today's video. Not very long. As I said, I feel a little bit tired, but tomorrow I'll do a longer video again. Let's just enjoy this. Let me just sit on this bench and relax a little bit. That was it, people. I think it was walk 608. Thank you for watching from Kronobergspiken on Kungsholmen. I see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.